How to make real estate website in Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a real estate website in Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to squarespace.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And from here, it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know this platform, Squarespace is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform that allows individuals, businesses, and organizations to create and manage their own website and online stores, in which it is known for its user-friendly and visually appealing website templates, making it a popular choice for people who want to establish an online presence without extensive technical knowledge or website design skills. And now, to access this website, all you need to do is to simply click the login button or the get started button in order to create your own account. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which the next thing that you need to do is to select your answer to their question, "What's your site about?" Or you can skip this part by clicking the skip button below. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will ask you, how would you like to get started? And below here, you have the two choices, such as to choose a professional designed website template or to build your own custom template. But I'm going to choose the design website template. So kindly click on it and proceed by clicking the finish button below. And after that, below here, all you need to do is to select the template with your ease. We have here the type, such as online store, portfolio, blog, and many more. While under the topic, I'm going to select this real estate and properties. So kindly click on it. And below here, it will show you the template for real estate and properties. And as you can see below here, there are a lot of variety of template that you can choose. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And to see the details or the layout design, kindly click this preview. And you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the layout design and other details about this template before using this or customizing the design of it. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Start with this design button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to create your account using your Google or your email address. And after signing in, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and you will be directed on this page. And on the pop-up window, all you need to do is to simply enter the site name and proceed by clicking the continue button below. And after that, from here, it will show you that you can now start navigating or customizing the other details about this template. So to change the font style and other details, kindly click this brush button on the top panel, and on the right side panel, you will be able to customize the font, colors, animation, or spacing, buttons, and even the image blocks of this template. And by simply clicking the fonts, below here, it will show you some of the font that you could also choose that would fit to your preferences for your real estate website. And after choosing the font, you could also change or customize the size of the text, the headings, paragraphs, and other style of these fonts. And aside from that, you could also change the color palette by simply clicking this edit palette right here. You will be able to choose a different kind of palettes right here. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So kindly click on it. And after that, it will show you the changes that happens to the color of our website on the left side panel. And aside from the color palette, you could also customize the animations in order to animate site elements as they appear on the page. You could choose either fade, scale, slide, clip, and even flex. And also, you could change the spacing, buttons, and even the image blocks. And now, after customizing the style, the color palette, and even the fonts of this website, just click the Save button on the top panel. And after that, you will also be directed on this page, in which on the left side panel, you could change the website pages by simply clicking the website option on the left side panel. Below the pages, it will show you the different kind of pages that you have or contain to your website. And as you can see, we have the home and the contact page only. And as you can see under these contact pages, it will show you the contact info about this website, and you could also customize some of the details of it. Now going back to this home page, upon clicking on the home, from here you will be able to see an image, and below are some of the details, including the contact info, the address, and other options that the customers or viewers could also navigate. And if you want to add pages, kindly click this plus button right here, and it will show you that you have the choices to create your new page with blank page, a blog page, a store, portfolio, events, videos, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel, the selling option, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you the step-by-step process on how to set up your store. And below, you could also see here some of the ways that you can sell in your website. And below here, it will show you on how you can grow your business. While under the marketing on the left side panel, it will help you to provide a suite for built-in tools and integrations to promote your business, and also to grow your audiences and engage with customers. While under the contact options on the left side panel of it, from here it will allow you to create a contact page on the website in which where your visitors can get in touch with you. And below here, you can track the number of your subscribers, leads, customers, first-time customers, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate here on the left side panel, the analytics option, in which upon clicking on it, from here you will be able to track the traffic, including your website's performance, visitor behavior, and audience engagement. And aside from that, you could also navigate the scheduling options right here, and it will allow you to manage your online appointments and meetings with powerful tools including calendar syncing, automated email and text messages, payment processor integrations, and many more. Now going back to this page, you could also navigate here the settings and the help option. And aside from that, on the top panel, you could also change the layout or to see what your website looks like in a phone or mobile phone by simply clicking this phone icon on the top panel. And below here, it will show you what your website looks like in a mobile phone. And you could also start navigating the other options in order to see what your visitors will be able to see when they try to visit your real estate website. And to add the pages, you could also do the same process, which is by clicking the plus button and start adding and changing the other details about your real estate website. And aside from that, you could also customize or change a specific image that contains in a page. For let's say under the home page, from here to delete this picture, just click these three dots and proceed by clicking the delete button below. Or if you want to add an image, just click the plus button on the top panel of it. From here, you can simply add an image from your computer files or import it in here. And now, after customizing all of the details for your real estate website, the next thing that you need to do is to subscribe to any of this plan, since you will not be able to save the changes of your website if you are not subscribing to any of this plan. We have here personal, business, commerce basic, and commerce advanced plan. And below, it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. So that is just how you can make real estate website in Squarespace. Thank you.